Hello viewers, welcome to AVN channel and welcome to one of the other volume of our road trip to Ladakh. And in this volume we will be crossing Rohtang Pass and we will be traveling from Manali to Jispa. And this journey will take around 8 8 hours or 8 to 9 hours for doing the entire 130-kilometer journey. And we can see here we the group of riders are trying to cross, but there are many obstacles here, many landslides, many other earth movers, and there are some good patches as well. We can see here some good road built or a recent asphalt road, so it's a pleasure to ride on these roads. Day 1 we did Chandigarh to Manali. Day 2 we took a break in Manali, and day 3 we are now going Manali to Jispa. So we can see that there is snow at the top of mountains, and our journey almost ends there. So we have to climb very long, and certainly each and every part of the journey is fantastic, is nostalgic, and each view is breathtaking, each challenging is adorable. So as we all know that Ladakh trip is not only about the destination, it's about the journey as well. So I don't know how I have filmed this particular scenes during my bike ride. Later on when I am recording my audio and I'm trying to compile, oh my god, we can see here a very big piece of mountain block coming on the road. So when I'm trying to add audio to my these things, each part is just fantastic, and I have tried to reduce the video to give you a glimpse of all the landscapes, all the terrains, all the views, because I cannot put just the entire video, it would be certainly boring for a viewer. So here we can see it is written Himachal Parivahan, so it is Himachal roadways, or we know Himachal Pradesh. So certainly these drivers are best in the world, as they are known to drive in such a terrain. Now you can just enjoy this view. What to say in this view, it's just fantastic. And when on certain roads or these quality of roads, when we see our riders bending their bikes, the view is just jaw dropping, or it's fantastic. So basically, as we are going towards Khardungla, towards Changla, towards Ladakh, so we are gaining altitude, and each and every part of the journey is becoming way beyond surprise or beyond imagination. So in this particular video, I have tried to capture all the different type of landscapes, different types of road quality, and in totality I have tried to present in some few minutes that what type of journey we came through. And here I am just having a sports bike in comparison to majority of the bullets, and I am just throttling and trying to be ahead uh, in the queue. So here is another one breathtaking view. We can see that brown color or slight brown or light brown mountains, and there is a black mountain in between, which is a snow capped mountain, and it certainly looks like, we are flowing in between the valleys, and the black mountain is our destination. So yeah, right there, that one I'm talking about. So it's just, we need to keep on riding and riding and riding and enjoying and enjoying and enjoying. So the weather is cold here, it's not more than 10 to 12 degree. So now after crossing everything and driving around about 7 to 8 hours, we have reached our destination. You can see the hotel name above in green, Ibex Jispa. And it just started raining, so we are very lucky here. And stay tuned to watch other parts of the entire journey. Thank you and bye bye.